Good day, sir, or good morning, sir. Today, I will discuss our mathematics activity because it is my missing activity. So, before we go to our discussions, um, I will introduce the four different problems, which is the basic derivative. Second, basic integrations. Third is distance between 2 points and midpoint of a line segment. Uh, each designed to evaluate our standings of basic mathematics skills that essential for higher mathemat level math and real life application. So let's proceed to the first, which is the basic derivative. Uh, the definitions of basic derivative is derivatives are a fundamental concept in calculus. They represent the rate of a function with respect to a variable, usually x. In simple terms, derivatives tells us how fast something is changing. So, ang meaning na sir kay kanang kung unsa ang value mag-change sa small small amount or degree ba siya nga. So, and basic derivatives is involved nga fundamentals calculus rules, which is power, product, quotient, and chain rules. And nasa siya polynomials, linear functions, o constant term. And by solving this problem, sir, you need to first is understand of differentiation. So dapat sir kanang imo siya i-understand ay kanang sabto nimo ang kung saan pag-differentiate sa problem. And ang second is ability to simplify expression. So dapat na kay ability nga makabalo ka sa pag-simplify ato. And third is familiarity with basic calculus techniques. So dapat nga sir, dapat ma-familiarize nimo ang basic calculus techniques kay mo na pinaka reason para makabalo ka sa yung pag-solve sa problem. So ang derivative sub is widely used in physics, pareha ng velocity and acceleration, and economics, pareha sa cost and profit optimization, and engineering and data analysis. So mao to siya sir. So this topic builds the foundation for more advanced calculus topic. So kuan sir kanang ga-build siya sa advanced calculus topic. So more to ang derivative. So let's proceed to the basic integration. So basic integration. So let's proceed to the second one, which is the basic integration, no? So the second section is basic integration, is the reverse of differentiation or anti-differentiation, finding the original function by summing. So ginapangita niya ang original functions by summing or plus. So infinitesimal slices and involved rules like power rule. add 1 to the exponent and divergent by the new exponent with a plus c constant of integrations added to indefinite integrals to account for lost constant term. So mo to ang cancer ang definition sa constant ay sa basic integration. So dapat mag-add ka ay dapat pangitaon nimo ang original functions by summing. So ang kuan if ang derivatives gatel sa ay ga ingon sa to ang mag ga change ang rate. So ang integration pod makatabang sa to para makakita sa area under a curve, total accumulations and original functions from their derivatives. So kani nga sections dapat kabilang students integrate sa expressions such as polynomials, constant, simple algebraic expressions. So for example, integrating 4x plus 2 requires applying the power rule of integration. So gina-apply nimo siya, sir. And the second is integrating constant like 10 shows understanding that constant become linear terms. So ito ang example, sir. And ang integration pod widely used siya sa knowledge of integral rules. Knowledge of integral rules. And ikaduha, proper use if constant of integrations. And third is accuracy in algebraic manipulation. So kana accurate siya dapat and sa algebraic manipulation. And ang integration is important in real life applications kay such as finding distance from velocity, and second one is calculating total profit, and third is measuring areas and volumes. So to sir, then third one is distance between 2 points. The third section deals with distance between 2 points in coordinate geometry. This topic uses the distance formula, which is derived from the Pythagorean theorem. So ang kani kay kuan gagamit siya og formulas ay kani nga topic is gagamit siya sa distance formula and ga-derive from Pythagorean theorem siya. Then na siya step to calculate. First one is label your points, dapat label siya. Then second is find the difference. So pangitaw nimo kung unsa ang difference ato nila, then square the differences. Fourth is i-add nimo siya. So i-add nimo din. Imuon nimo siyang ang last is take the square root. So kuha nimo to ang square root. Then students are given 2 points on a coordinate plane and asked to find the distance between them. These sections develop spatial reasoning, accuracy and substitutions, proper handling of square root. So ang explain ako ang spatial reasoning, no? So ang spatial reasoning is the ability to visualize and manipulate three-dimensional shape in your mind. One aspect of spatial reasoning is imagining or using the imaginations to picture and move with the and move object with the imagination. So mo to siya sir ang spatial reasoning no, and ang concept, ang accuracy of substitution is dapat kuan siya sir kanang accurate imong pag substitute sa problem. So which is kuan siya para makuha nimo ang kuan ang kanang answer. So ang kuan sa sir ang proper handling of square root is na siya rules. So sa for roots, the numbers under the radical is either a perfect root, meaning a whole number is multiplied by itself to get the radicand. If it's not a perfect root, then the root of the number will have a decimal in it. So mao na siya sir ang tulo. Then mora. So ang distance nga katong formula sir is napod siya ay kanang ginagamit pod siya sa kuan. Dito. Distance calculations are used in mapping. So mapping and navigation. So kaya ng kuan nautical mag-plot sila no, mag-imo sila mapa. So magamit sila tunggan formula para makuha nila ang ilang gusto nga calculation sa map. Then ang navigation pod sir kay kanang kuan sanay the process or activity to accurately ascertaining one positions and planning the following routes. So kanang kuan gamiton niya po nila sir no para maka-follow sila ato nga ruta nga ilang gusto sa ilang ginaplano. So maura to sir ang kuan mapping and navigation. So engineering's design. So kuan gamit gyapon na ang distance calculation sa engineering design sir. Okay, need man gyapon to nila. Fourth is physics and computer graphics. And mora tong tulo sir no sa distance calculations. And these sections connect algebra with geometry, reinforcing analytical thinking. So ang meaning sa analytical thinking kay must be able to identify and define problem. So dapat maka-identify siya no and maka-define siya sa problems, extract key information from data and develop workable solutions for the problems identified in order to test and verify the cause of the problems and develop solutions to resolve the problems identified. So in order nga makakuan sir ma-resolve to nga problems nga imong na-identify, dapat una imo siyang i-verify no kung unsa ang cause sa problems and para makahimo kag solution nga para ma-resolve to nimo nga problema. So mao lang to ang meaning sa sa analytical thinking. So let's proceed to problem number 4. So let's proceed to midpoint of a line segment no sir no. So definitions of midpoint segment. The midpoint of a line segment is the point exactly in the middle, equidistant from both endpoints, found by averaging the coordinates of the endpoint. So kani nga problem sir is nara siya sa tunga no sa yawa. So So let's proceed to problem number 4, which is midpoint of a line segment. The definitions of midpoint of a line segment is the midpoint of a line segment is the point exactly in the middle, equidistant from both end points, found by averaging the coordinates of the endpoint. So ang kani siya nga problem sir is nara siya sa tunga, no? So let's proceed kung saan na to siya pag-identify, no? So how to find the midpoint? First, identify the coordinate. So dapat identify mo kung siya ga coordinate. Then second is average the x. So ang average daw sa x. Second is average the y's, no? Ang y pod, ang y. Then ang ikaapat is i-combine nimo siya, no, kung ang coordinate sa x og sa y. So example is find the midpoint of the segments with problem. Find the midpoints of the segment with endpoints 2, 1 and 8, 5. So ang coordinate sa x is si 2 ug si 8. So 2 plus 8 close parenthesis divided by 2. So ang una nimo solve ani is ang nasa close parenthesis, so which is ang 2 plus 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Then next is 10 divided by 2. So ang answer is 5. So ang y na po ang imong i-solve. So y coordinates is 1 og 5. So 1 plus 5 close parenthesis divided by 2. So 1 plus 5 6. So next nimo bato na pod is kuha na siya kana i-divide na po nimo. So 6 divided by 2 3. So ang midpoint na to is 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So mora to sir, no, ang example na ko. Then this formula helps determine the exact center point between two coordinates. Students are tested on students first is understanding coordinates averages. So dapat kanang hibaw-an nimo ang coordinate averages. And second is applying formulas correctly. So dapat i-apply nimo ang formula sa sakto para makuha nimo ang kanang sana answer. Then third is interpreting geometric meaning. So ang interpreting geometric meaning po is refers to the visualizations of mathematical concepts such as the ordinary least squares, estimations where predicted values are represented as the projections of observed values onto a space defined by the design matrix with residuals being orthogonal to this space. So mo to ang meaning sa interpreting geometric, no? So mara to sir, no, ang dapat nimo dapat kabaw ka to sa understanding coordinates, pag-apply nimo sa formula, and pag-interpret nimo sa geometric meaning. So sad midpoint are important sa ang midpoint code is important siya sa geometry proofs constructions and design, dividing distances evenly. So importante daw kayo ang geometry proofs sa midpoint no kay geometry proofs are important when dealing with midpoints because they provide a logical, rigorous way to demonstrate relationships and properties associated with midpoints. So here's a breakdown of why they matter, sir. So first is establishing validity. So ang definitions ana sa midpoint kay a midpoint divides a line segment into two equal parts. So ga-divide siya sa two equal parts. Proofs ensures that any conclusions drawn about midpoints are logically derived from definitions. And ikadua is deductive reasoning. Proofs rely on deductive reasonings where you start with known facts like the definitions of a midpoint and use logical steps to arrive in a conclusions. This process guarantees the validity of your statement. So, matong pinakauna, sir. So, ikadua is proving theorems and properties. Midpoint theorem is proofs are used to formally prove theorem related to midpoints. For example, the midpoint theorem states that the line segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half its length. And angle bisectors and medians. Midpoints often play a role in the angle bisectors and medians of triangles. Proofs help establish relationships between these elements. And ang ikatulo is developing logical thinking. So, critical thinking, constructing geometry proofs enhances critical thinking skills. You learn to analyze given informations, to identify relevant theorems and postulates and build a logical arguments. So kuan ni sir no, so kanang kuan kanang dapat ma-develop yun nimo imong logical thinking kay usasab na sa kanang makapadugay sa imo kung di ka kahibaw mo develop sa imong logical thinking sa mga lagi sa dili ka kabalo mahibaw og kuan develop sa imong logical thinking kung nakay problem. So ang ikadua is problem solving. The process of writing proofs improve problem solving ability in mathematics and other fields. So, dapat kabaw ka mag-solve sa problema. And ikaupat is ensuring accuracy. So, ang sod aning ensuring accuracy is avoiding assumptions. So, mag-avoid ka. So, proofs force you to avoid making unjustified assumptions. Every step in our proof must be supported by a definition, postulate, or previously proven theorem. So, para makaiwas daw ni sir is dapat supported siya sa definition, postulate, or kanang proven theorem nimo. And ang ikadua is following a rigorous proof process, you can be confident in accuracy of your result. So, kuan ka lang sundon na nimong rigorous proof process para accurate ang result sa imong trabaho. And ang ikalima is application and coordinate geometry. So, midpoint formula In coordinate geometry, the midpoint formula is used to define the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment. Proofs can be used to derive this formula. And ikadua is geometric constructions. Proofs are essentials in justifying geometric constructions involving midpoints. So, mo to ang answer nga nung importante kayo ang geometry proof no sa kwan sa kanang sanay sa midpoint no sa midpoint. So maura to siya sir ang geometry proofs. So let's proceed to another. So constructions and design. So constructions and design. So constructions are important in the context of midpoint for several reasons. Primarily because they involve precise measurement, spatial reasoning, in the practical applications of geometric principles. So, money breakdown sa ni sir no. First is accurate placement and division. So, the fundamental concept of a midpoint is that divides in a line into two equal parts in constructions and design. Achieving these divisions accurately is often critical. So, ang ikadua is one, structural integrity and symmetry. And ang ikatulo is geometric constructions. Ang ikaupat, design and layout. Ang ikalima is engineering applications. So, moto ang kwanzer no, ang constructions and design. So, let's proceed sa ikatulo. Ang mauni ang dividing distances evenly. So, dividing distance evenly. So, ako siyang basahan sir na ano importante siya. So, dividing distances evenly is fundamentally important in the context of midpoint because the very definitions of a midpoint's hangness of index equal divisions. So, moto siya sir. So, ang kaning topic sir kay kaning midpoint is strengthen coordinate geometry skills and logical thinking. So ginapakusog niya ang imong geometry skills and logical thinking. So dapat kanang gud nimo siya kanang hibaw-an yun nimo sabton and dapat kanang kabalo ka mo develop sa imong logical thinking no. So lastly sir sa akong conclusions aning topic nato. So in conclusion, this mathematics test paper effectively evaluates both calculus and coordinate geometry fundamentals and ang tagsa-tagsa each sections builds essential skills no pareha sa problem solving, logical reasoning or logical thinking, and mathematically accuracy. So these topics are not important sa academic success lang sir no, but also imo siyang i-apply in science, engineering, economics, and everyday problem solving, no? And sa atong life, food sir, apply na nimo siya. So, thank you. And that concludes my discussion, sir. Thank you very much.